Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this quick video, I'll show you how to turn on data saver mode on YouTube. Perfect if you're trying to save mobile data or reduce video quality while on the go. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. This works for both Android and iPhone. Now tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap Settings. Scroll down until you see the option called data saving. Tap on it and then turn on the data saving mode toggle. You can also lower the streaming and download quality right below if you want to save even more data. And that's it. You have now got data saver mode on and ready to go. If this video helped, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.